Welcome to Prince Maths Clinic, the e-learning solution at your pace and time.
Good day and welcome once again to Prince Maths Clinic. For those of you that's just meeting me for the first time, my name is Mr. Lucky and I will be your host for today's class. On the board, we have this very interesting question to find the unknown. And finding the unknown in a particular equation means to solve the equation in order to get the unknown. In today's class, I will not be using the very popular idea that you know in solving for any unknown in an equation. Rather, I'll be using what I call the reverse operation in determining what the value of the unknown is. So join me as we explore the set of questions I have on the board. Now, we are asked to find the unknown in 3x plus 14 equal to 20. And this other question, 5x minus 3, everything over 6 equal to 2. Good. But before we go right into the solution, there is a need for you to understand the concept of operation and inverse operation. As you have on the board, we have the operation plus. The inverse operation means the opposite, which is minus. Also, we have minus, the opposite becomes plus. We have times, the opposite becomes divide. Divide means the opposite becomes what? Times. The same way with square, right? Square root. Square root, operation inverse is what? Square. For cube, the inverse operation is cube root, and for cube root we have cube, and so on and so forth. But these are the popular ones I just decided to write on the board for the sake of this particular exercise that we'll be doing. But before we go into the exercise, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, consider doing so that you can get more exciting video as we drop them on this channel. So let's go right into the solution. For the first one, we know from our question that 3x plus 14 equals to 20. I want to find the value that will multiply these 3, right? That is the meaning of 3x. What will we multiply by this, or what will we multiply by 3? That when we add 14 to it, we are going to get 20. That's the meaning of this expression, or this equation rather, on the board. So using the reverse operation means I will do this. I'll write out my 20 first. So what do we have here? We have positive what? 14. So the opposite of plus is minus. So I'm going to subtract 14 from it. What would my result be? To be 6. Good. So I'm done with this side. So 3 was multiplied with x. Is it not so? Good. So to obtain my x, I am going to divide this 6 by the value of 3 here. So 6 divided by 3 will give me what? 2. So this is the correct answer, that if we put in this particular equation, it's going to give us 20. So this means 3 times 2, which is 6. 6 plus 14 gives us 20. Simple, right? Good. Let's attempt the second question. In this second question, we will observe that we have a numerator and a denominator. Good. Then everything in the numerator, which is on top, is divided by 6. So this is where I'm going to start. I'm still going to start from here. Solution. I'll start from 2. Everything here was divided by 6. So I'm going to, the opposite of divide is times. So I'm going to times 6. And 2 times 6 is 12. Good. So immediately I've done this, I will now come to this operation. 3 was subtracted here, and the next thing to do is to do the opposite, which is plus 3. So this 12 becomes what? Plus 3. And 12 plus 3 is 15. Good. So the next is this operation. 5 is multiplied by x. So to do the inverse, just say your x becomes 15 divided by 5. And 5 here 1, 5 here 3. So the answer here is 3. You can see how easy it is. And this is what you can do in like 10 seconds. So when you are confronted with exams like multiple choice questions, subjective questions where you are just asked to fill in the answer, like in your IGCSE theory exams, and exams like that, or quiz, I recommend this particular method. It works like fire. Till we meet again, enjoy maths and ensure you practice more of questions like this. Bye for now.